A Green Bay defensive star was taken into custody at LaGuardia Airport this morning for carrying a gun that should have stayed in Wisconsin. The arrest shocked fans and the NFL community alike. But what exactly happened? Rasheed Walker, a 4-year veteran on the Packers' offensive line, checked a bag that turned out to contain a firearm and ammunition. According to TMZ, he was booked on 2 counts of second-degree criminal possession of a weapon and 1 count of criminal possession of a firearm. He appeared in Queens County Criminal Court and was released on his own recognizance. No bail needed. Walker's attorney, Arthur L. Adala, claims the player mistakenly believed he could travel with his gun because it's legally licensed in Wisconsin. When Walker arrived at the airport, he told an employee that an unloaded gun was in a lockbox inside his checked bag. However, Adala explained that, because Walker is only licensed to carry in Wisconsin, the Port Authority had no choice but to detain him. Adala remains confident the charges will eventually be dropped. The New York Post reported that a firearm and 36 rounds of ammunition were found in the lockbox when it was searched. These details raise more questions. How did this slip happen? Why would an NFL player risk traveling with such items? Walker's career has been a steady climb. Drafted in one of the last picks of the 2022 NFL Draft, he went from afterthought to mainstay on the Packers' offensive line. Over the past 3 years, he played in all 51 regular season games and every playoff game for the team during that stretch. His performance has been integral to Green Bay's success, making this incident all the more startling. Fans were left wondering whether the NFL will discipline him after the arrest. The league's policies on weapons are strict, yet the specifics of Walker's case remain murky. Was this a simple misunderstanding about state licensing? Or was there something else at play behind the scenes? Walker's attorney insists it was an honest mistake, and that Walker has no history of trouble with firearms. He points out that Walker had never been flagged by any previous law enforcement encounter. The only thing that set this incident apart was his attempt to bring a weapon across state lines for travel. In the days that followed, the legal process will determine whether charges are dismissed or upheld. But what does this mean for Walker's future with the Packers? Will he be suspended pending investigation? Will his contract be affected? The NFL has yet to release an official statement regarding potential discipline. Deal and the media frenzy continues, with outlets scrambling for any new information. Fans on social media are divided. Some defend Walker as a victim of overzealous enforcement, while others call for accountability. In the meantime, the story remains unresolved until the next court filing or an official NFL announcement. So what will be the final outcome? Will Walker's legal troubles clear up in time for the upcoming season? Only one thing is certain: this incident has sent shockwaves through the league and left a lingering question about how a seasoned player could find himself in such a predicament. Stay tuned, because the truth behind Rasheed Walker's arrest will be revealed soon. Right here, right now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.